Hi, I'm Margaret Lewin and welcome to Margaret Lewin Quilting. We're going to be working on block 12 today, which is House on the Hill. It's a very simple block to put together, which is a good thing because all of my media, the intro, is gone and I can't recapture it. So we're going to go from here. Seeing in front of you is how I initially laid out the block. If you look at the pictures on the pattern, that is exactly how I suggest that you do it. You're going to be putting this together in rows, which are very simple. There's only one diagonal where you're dealing with the bias, and that's in the rooftop. That part I have, and I'm going to show it to you right now. All right, my camera dead, so I'm not sure how much of that last clip you got. So what I did was I cut away so that I only had 1/4 of an inch left here, and then I took it over to the iron and I just folded it out and pressed it. That was it. So on this one, at this stage, you can see I have cut it 1/4 of an inch, and now I'm going to take it over to the ironing board and just set my seams and press. I'll be right back. Alright, so here I am. There is my piece all done. I am going to just clean up this one side, which that's not abnormal to have something like that where you've got just a little bit extra hanging over there, and I'm talking about right here. So I'm just going to take my rotary blade and just clean it up so that it's ready to go. So now I will go work on the remainder of the pieces. So here are my 2 side pieces. They go this way. The top of the roof is this way. The bottom of the house is that way. And this sits next to it. So what I've done is I've pressed in towards the dark on both of them. And now I'm going to add these strips. So the red will go with the red set, the black with the black set. And then I will be adding a piece onto the bottom. Remember, there's a little piece that goes down at the bottom. I'll be adding that. So we're talking straight sewing and pressing towards really the darkest color on this instance. So I'll be back. Here is my pink block. I'll move it so that you really can see it. Here's my pink block, all done. It's all completed. I actually worked on it during the live on Sundays. On Sundays I do a live on YouTube. So I worked on it during that. So here is the pink one all done. And I want to show you the black one in the last stages of it. So it's real simple. You're putting these blocks together, and then I did press them towards the black. Then I added this strip and then this strip. Worked out great. Same thing on this one, same thing on this one. So what you're going to do is put your blocks together, press towards the darkest, and then now I'm going to take these, put these 3 together, and then add the roof of my house. And then I'll be back. So I'll see you in just a second with that. Block number 12, House on the Hill, is all done. So aren't those the cutest? I love my roof on this one. I'll bring it up closer so you can see it. Look, isn't that the coolest? I love that. I'm very happy with this one, but this one's my favorite. There's nothing about it that I don't like. I just think it's really, really cute. So there are those 2 blocks. Tomorrow, whoops, I got a thread right here. Tomorrow we are going to be doing block number 13, and I'll be honest with you, it's another one of those quick and easy blocks. So for anybody who's behind, this is the perfect time to get caught up. So thank you so much for joining me again today for block number 12, which is House on the Hill. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. This is another really nice, quick and easy block to make. I hope you enjoy making it as much as I did. I'll show you the back. I mostly pressed everything to the black on most instances. I did have a couple that folded over the wrong way, but this one does fold nice and flat, so there really aren't a lot of issues with it. I'll see you tomorrow for block number 13. Please do give this video a thumbs up, and I would greatly appreciate it if you would share my videos on all of your social media. Thanks, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.